If you need to reset your Google Meet password, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This guide will help you through the process. Step 1. Go to the Google Account Recovery page. Visit the Google Account Recovery page by navigating to https://accounts.google.com/sign-in/recovery. This is where you can start the password reset process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Google account. Make sure it is correct, then click on Next to proceed. Step 3. Choose a recovery option. Google will present you with recovery options such as sending a verification code to your registered phone number or email. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Check your phone or email for the verification code sent by Google. Enter this code in the provided field on the recovery page and click Next. Step 5. Create a new password. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, confirm it, and then click Next to complete the process. Now you can log into Google Meet with your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and consider using a password manager for future reference.